All right, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today, we're going to be talking about multiple classes, selectors. So we can use the CSS to select an HTML elements class, as we've seen in the previous video. And we can select it by the name. And we've only selected elements by using one class name per element. So if every HTML element has a single class, all the style information for each element will require a new class. Luckily, it's possible to add more than one class to an HTML elements class attribute. So for instance, there's a heading element that needs to be green and bold. So you can write two CSS rule sets like this, which is this green and then like bold. Then you could include both of these classes on the one HTML element like this. We can add multiple classes to an HTML elements class attribute by separating them with a space. So this essentially enables us to mix and match CSS classes to create many unique styles without writing a custom class for every style combination needed. So you're probably a little confused on what happened right here. So let me go ahead and simplify this down a little. So essentially, let's say you want to make your header one right here green and bold. So so what you can do is you can write it like this. You can do green and then bold, and select the multiple classes. And for the class name inside of the HTML elements, you can put green and bold. And if you separate them by a comma, they'll know that they're two different classes. So you can create two different rule sets for it. And we can add multiple classes in the HTMLs by separating them with that space. So our task is going to be an index HTML on line 11. There's an element with the title. Add a second class with uppercase. Okay, so uppercase to this element. Done. And then navigate to the style.css and add a rule set for the uppercase class. So dot uppercase. And then we're gonna essentially go ahead and run this and run it. And there you go. We basically made it uppercase. And again, we're not really messing with the color there at all. We just added, another class onto the title, and that's how we essentially did it. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And in the next video, we're going to be talking about the ID selector. So stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a great day.